Derivatives trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results.
I would say just spend a little bit more time figuring out how to establish a strong bias and then just be disciplined enough to just trade that bias. Remember, your goal, and I just said this to someone else today, we're more sniper-like. And you might know that a sniper is not one to stand up, run across the field to look for the next target, and then move over here and shift over there. A sniper knows what they're after, and they simply have to sit and wait and stalk the target. But at the end of the day, that target has to come into their sights, right? And then they pull the trigger. That gives you the best opportunity. That gives you the best risk reward, the best odds in your trade. And that's really kind of how we want to think about this. We want to think of like, how can I position myself so that I can get my targets with the lowest effort, highest payout possible. That's really the game. This is where the R factor stuff comes in. That's the entire game, is just how can I take an edge and be able to hit it every time as it comes into my viewport, rather than let me go find targets. Let me just get up, run into the field, and see if I can shoot someone. Like the odds are not in your favor if you did that. Silly analogy, but it's kind of the same process, and it feels to me like you want to get in there. You're trading 3 days a week, so you want action. You need that dopamine hit, and in the course of that, you're very likely to invent trades. So just be careful that that's there, and come up with a plan for how you can manage it.
If you've enjoyed this analogy, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to be notified about each new Convergent Trading video.